welcome back to my channel today. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kim, and if you're not, welcome back. I am going to take you guys along with me again today. We are going to meal prep because I have to go into the office for the next 2 days. So we're just going to meal prep a nice low carb, healthy meals. And then also I'll probably do that for the first part of the video, and then also take you guys along with me to the next few days and just show you guys what I eat in a day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and my meal preps, and let me know what kind of meal preps you guys like to make. I like all kinds, but I think today we're gonna aim for like a cauliflower, ground turkey meal prep, just something like lower carb and also like lower calories. So anyways, okay, I don't know if I shared this with you guys, but I have an ice machine. Jamal bought me one for Christmas, I believe, and I used it for like a month, and then I like put it away, and now it is back out. It's right there, but it makes really nice ice. It's definitely not like the Chick-fil-A ice or Sonic ice, but it's pretty nice. It has two different like sizes, and it does the job. So anyways, we are making ice currently. It is a little bit slow. There's only like maybe like 10 cubes that come out like at once. But that's okay. So anyway, I have my water here and my 40-ounce Stanley. So I cut up watermelon yesterday. So we're gonna just have, it is so refreshing. Okay, so I made eggs, peppers, onions, and sausage. We're just gonna make one big burrito. Okay, so now we're just going to roll this up. So this is just salsa. All right, I have 2 pieces of Canadian ham here, which we're gonna have. And then we're also gonna continue eating the watermelon. So this is breakfast. Look at this, super crispy. This is what I've been wanting. And look at that, oh my God, look how juicy that looks. Oh, so yummy. Okay, let's eat. All right guys, it's about 3:40. I'm having a little snack. This is just salami and provolone cheese. I ate almost the whole thing already, but just wanted to show you guys what I'm having for my snack. It's so good. I'll show you guys what it looks like in the packaging when I get home, but I got it from Costco, and I think it was like a 12 pack of these for like $12. So it's a pretty good deal. I got my Good Chop box in earlier this week, so I wanted to show you guys everything I got in this month's box. I got literally all my favorites. So we got the sockeye salmon. We've got Dungeness crab legs. I am so excited for this one. This is New York strip steak. This is the only one that's thawed because I had it sit in the fridge for a day or two, but this is the New York strip steak that we're actually going to be making for dinner tonight. We've got thick cut uncured pork bacon, boneless skinless chicken breasts, ground beef. This is ribeye beef steak. I love the steak from Good Chop, which is why I always like to get like double. But yeah, this is everything I got from Good Chop, you guys. Good Chop offers fully customizable boxes of high quality meats and seafood delivered straight to your door on your schedule. The products are vacuum sealed and flash frozen at peak freshness, so you can stock your freezer and cook when you want.
you save time and money. Stop wasting time searching for quality cuts that don't cost a fortune. Good Chop's price per meal starts at $3.32. It's hard to choose, but I think the New York strip is my favorite cut. It just melts in your mouth. It cooks to perfection. It's just so yummy. Take a look at this. Unlike many other companies, Good Chop sources its meats and seafood exclusively from American farms and fisheries. So by choosing Good Chop, you support local family farms and independent ranchers right here in the US. Look how juicy this New York strip came out. I personally love the fatty parts, so I try to get all the fatty parts because it's just so flavorful. But right here we are plating our food. I am just doing broccoli on the side, adding a little bit of A1 sauce, and bon appetit. I know you guys will love Good Chop as much as I do. Go to goodchop.com/YouTube and use code KIM130 or click the link in the caption below to get $130 off across your first 4 boxes. Again, go to goodchop.com/YouTube and use code KIM130 or click the link in the caption below to get $130 off across your first 4 boxes. I see it. It has purple, yeah. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. I am heading into the office, but we meal prepped yesterday, so let me show you guys how I'm going to pack my lunch, everything I bring, and yeah. All right, so this is a cup. So we're gonna do 1 cup. And then also about 1 cup of ground turkey. All right, and this is going to be my lunch for today. We have our cilantro lime and cauliflower rice, our ground turkey with zucchini, and then shredded lettuce. So we're gonna go ahead and pack this up. Time, stuff like that. But
who was I talking to you?
Alright guys, so this is what I got. I got a grilled chicken club meal with no cheese, no bun, wrapped in lettuce. So it's basically just a grilled chicken sandwich with bacon, tomatoes, and just wrapped in lettuce. So yummy, one of my favorites. And then I'm going to just add buffalo sauce and also ranch. And then I have a Coke Zero here, and this is literally just gonna be my lunch for the day. Here, do it like this. On top. This can get really messy, but ooh, look at that.
Okay, I'm doing total inside. Okay, now we're talking.
All right, man.
Oh wait, I'm seeing the vision. Yeah. We do have the village.
Go.
We do have the village.